Welcome to today's workout. We have got a full body strength day. So all I have today are 2 sets of dumbbells, a 5 kilo set and a 2 kilo set. We'll do short rests in between each superset. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get straight into it. Our first superset today is a deadlift with an upright row. So we've got 8 reps of each. Nice and strong. Let's go down for that first rep. Hinge at the hips. And we've got all of our weight through the heels. Really feeling that right down through the hamstrings. 2 more. And 1. Next up, shoulders back. Dumbbells are just in front of the thighs here, just resting, and we're bringing the elbows up. Driving up just so they're just beneath the chin. Three more. Core is tight here. Knees are slightly bent. And 8. Short rest. Then we're straight back into those 2 movements for another 3 rounds. Simple as that. You can go slightly heavier with your deadlifts if you want. Alright, let's go. Nice and strong through each rep. Halfway. Last 2. And 1. Straight into our upright rows. Shoulders back, core is braced. Two more. And 8. 2 down, 2 to go. Let's grab those dumbbells. Breathing out as you come to the top here. So breathing in and out. Last 2. And 1. Straight into our upright rows. Making sure you're pulling from the elbows. So think of 2 strings being attached to the elbows and they're being pulled up. 1 more. Alright, we've got 1 more superset here, so 1 more of each exercise. Okay, into those deadlifts. Last dead. Four to go. Two, 1 more. 1. Straight into our upright rows. Core is braced, shoulders are back. 2, 1 more. 1. Okay, short rest in between. Our next exercise, we have got a reversed lunge. We're holding a plate or a dumbbell overhead, and then we've got a squat into a single arm press. I'm just going to use one 5 kilo dumbbell for this one. Alternating legs each time here. If you need to rest, you can bring it down. Otherwise, trying to keep that dumbbell up overhead. Should be feeling it. Last 2. And 1. I'm going to grab my 2 kilo dumbbells here. Squat, one arm up. Alternating sides each time you drive up. Halfway. Four more. Two, last one. 1. Whew. Definitely a burner. You should really be feeling that one. Reminder that you can always extend those breaks in between your sets if you need to. I tend to do quite a quick rest in between sets, generally because I'm training in between Abby's naps. But yeah, if you need to pause it and take a little bit longer, that's fine. All right, next one. Going with my 2 kilo this time. Let's go. Halfway. Last 2. And 1. Straight into our squat with a press. Squat down, drive that arm up. Halfway. Last one on each side. 2, 1. One more round here. Speaking of Abby's naps, she is now in the room with us in her pram watching. All right, next up we have an underhand row with our dumbbells into a Zottman curl, one of my absolute favorites. Going with our 5 kilos here to start. Shoulders back, hinge at the hips, underhand, and we're pulling back. So nice big squeeze through the traps. Two more. 1. Standing up nice and tall, elbows are locked in at the hips. Driving up into a curl, turn, and coming back down. Drive up, rotate, back down nice and slow. You're going to feel this through the biceps, the upper back, the obliques. It's a killer movement. 3 more. 2. Last one. And 1. Little rest in between those 2. And then we're straight back into it. I'm going to switch to some 3 kilo dumbbells for this one, for this set. All right, let's go. Hinge at the hips. Pull those dumbbells back. A reminder that it's not always about the heaviness of the weights you're lifting. It all comes down to that technique. Last one. Standing up nice and tall, shoulders back, slight bend through the knees. Curl, rotate, and slowly back down. Halfway. Two more. Last one. One. Quick little break. 2 more sets here. We're doing 4 rounds of this superset. Okay, let's grab those weights. Shoulders back. Hinge at the hips. Pulling back. Our elbows are driving this movement. 2, 1 more. 1. Coming up. Curl, rotate, slowly back down. Halfway. Two more. And 1. One more little break. Then moving into our last round of these, followed by a little finisher. Grab your weights. Hinge at the hips. Pull back. Got 10 reps here this time. A little bit extra. Last 2. 1. Into our curls. Curl up, rotate, slowly back down. Five down, 5 to go. Last 2. Last 1. Okay, next up, we're coming down to the ground. We have got a glute bridge extension. So drive the hips up to the ceiling. We're going to extend the leg out, extend the other leg out, back down. Driving back up. Glutes are switched on right throughout this movement. Drive through the heels, make sure you're breathing. Two more. And back up, pulses here. Got 30 seconds, we're done. Hold up in that glute bridge. Bring the arms up for a little bit extra. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Solid little burner. Good work today, and I will see you for the next one.